In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in Gmail. Gmail doesn't use traditional folders. Instead, it uses labels. Labels give you the same organization and the same ability to group messages, but with extra flexibility. A single email can have more than one label. Think of a label like a tag that also appears in your sidebar, just like a folder would. To get started, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in. Look to the left-hand sidebar. That's where your labels live. If your sidebar is minimized, hover over the edge or click the menu icon to expand it. Scroll until you see the section titled Labels. If you don't see many options, click More to reveal the full list. Right above your labels, look for the plus icon, sometimes shown as Create New Label. Click that. A small window will appear asking for a label name. Type a clear, short name that matches how you want to organize your mail. For example, receipts, projects, or travel. When you're ready, click Create. That's it. You've effectively made a folder in Gmail. Now that your label exists, you can put emails there. The simplest way is to drag a message from your inbox onto the label in the left sidebar. You'll see it highlight. Release the mouse, and Gmail moves the email under that label. Another approach is to select one or more emails, then use the toolbar above your messages. Click Move if you want the email to leave the inbox and live under the label, or click Label if you want to add the label but keep the message in the inbox as well. Both options organize the message under your new label. To open your folder, just click the label name in the sidebar and you'll see every message that has that label. If the label ever disappears from the list, it's usually folded under More. Expand it and you'll find it again. You can rename or hide labels anytime from the left sidebar by hovering over the label and choosing Edit or Show. That's all there is to it. By creating labels and moving emails into them, you get the same structure as folders, with the bonus that messages can belong in more than one place. Try it with a couple of messages, and you'll immediately see your inbox feel more organized. And remember, you can always remove a label from a message without deleting the email, so feel free to experiment. If you make a label you don't need, deleting the label won't delete your messages. It simply removes the tag.